Are you ready to take control of your success in real estate? In the world of real estate, success is not a matter of luck or chance. It's all about intention, purpose, and the power of a well-defined plan. Now let's talk about the magic number, 100. Imagine setting 100 listing appointments. Sounds daunting, doesn't it? But it's far from impossible. It's a goal that's within your reach if you're willing to put in the time and the effort. So how do we get there? It all starts with setting clear, achievable goals. It's not just about saying you want to be successful, it's about defining what success looks like to you. Is it a certain number of sales per month? Is it a particular income level? Once you've defined your goals, you've taken the first step towards achieving them. Next, you need a plan. Not just any plan, but a detailed, step-by-step roadmap that will lead you to your goals. It's like setting the GPS before you start a journey. You need to know where you're going and how you're going to get there. This plan should outline your daily, weekly, and monthly actions that will inch you closer to your desired outcome. But having a plan isn't enough. You need to be committed to executing it. This means showing up every day, rain or shine, and doing the work. It means being consistent, even when things get tough. It means being resilient, even when faced with challenges. Remember, in real estate, the only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. It's also crucial to remember that your journey to success is not a solitary one. Surround yourself with a supportive network of mentors, peers, and professionals who can guide you, challenge you, and help you grow. Your success in real estate is within your control. It's time to take the reins. So, are you ready to embark on this journey towards success? Let's make that goal of 100 listing appointments a reality. To succeed, you need a solid business plan. Let's dissect what that looks like. Imagine a month in the life of a successful real estate agent. It's a month that starts with a focus on generating 40 leads. That's right, 40. This number might seem daunting, but it's a crucial part of your strategy to secure 8 important appointments per month. Now let's talk about time. How much of it should you dedicate to prospecting? The answer is 15 hours per week. It might seem like a lot, but remember, the more time you put into prospecting, the higher your chances of securing that coveted listing. Speaking of listings, aim to take one every other week. Financial goals are just as important. Envision earning $180,000 per year. That breaks down to $15,000 per month. To achieve this, you need to make contact with 20 different people daily and convert at least 2 of those contacts into leads. A day in the life of a successful agent is well structured. It starts with prospecting in the morning when you're fresh and energized. Follow up on leads in the afternoon, ensuring no potential client slips through the cracks. Then, as the day winds down, focus on securing appointments or do more prospecting if needed. Your business plan should also include at least one lead source. This could be your sphere of influence, which includes past clients who can provide referrals or a new source that you're excited to tap into. In conclusion, a robust monthly business plan for a real estate agent involves a balance of prospecting, lead generation, and appointment setting, along with a clear financial goal. It requires dedication, time management, and a commitment to follow through. Remember, a well-executed plan is your roadmap to success. Not all leads are created equal. Prioritizing leads can make all the difference. In the bustling world of real estate, time is money and quality often trumps quantity. This is especially true when it comes to leads. It's not just about how many leads you have, but how likely they are to convert. So how do you prioritize leads? Consider their competition and timelines to convert. A lead with a high competition level might require more effort to secure, but could also yield a higher reward. Similarly, a lead with a short timeline to convert might demand immediate attention, but also bring quicker results. Now, let's talk about lead sources. There's a goldmine of opportunity out there if you know where to look. Expired listings, for instance, these are properties that were on the market but didn't sell. The owners are often eager to sell, making them prime prospects. Next, consider for sale by owners. These individuals are trying to sell their properties without an agent. They may realize they need professional help, opening the door for you to step in. Then there are absentee owners. These are individuals who own property but don't live there. They might be more willing to sell, especially if managing the property has become a burden. Lastly, don't forget about circle prospecting. This involves targeting a specific neighborhood or area, building relationships and becoming the go-to agent in that area. Strategic lead prioritization can significantly boost your conversion rates. Remember, success isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. An effective outbound prospecting plan is your key to consistent lead generation. Now, what does this plan entail? It's quite simple. It starts with identifying a reliable lead source. This source is your wellspring, your starting point, from which you can draw potential clients. Now, you might be asking, where can I find such a source? Well, the answer is closer than you think. Consider your sphere of influence, or SOI. This includes past clients, people you've worked with before, who were satisfied with your services. They are a goldmine of potential leads. Why? Because they already trust you, they've seen your work, and they can vouch for your expertise. But don't stop there. Expand your sphere. Network, meet new people, engage with your community, join local organizations, attend events, be visible. Remember, every person you meet is a potential lead. Now, this doesn't mean you should be selling all the time. No, instead, be genuine. Be interested. Listen, so people appreciate someone who genuinely cares about them and their needs. And guess what? When they need to buy or sell a property, who do you think they'll think of first? That's right, you. So let's recap. An effective outbound prospecting plan starts with identifying a reliable lead source, like your sphere of influence. Then expand that sphere through networking and genuine engagement. And remember, every person you meet is a potential lead. With a strategic outbound prospecting plan, consistent lead generation is in your hands. Let's recap the key points to take control of your success in real estate. We've explored the importance of setting clear, achievable goals. Remember, 100 listing appointments doesn't just happen. It's a result of consistent effort, 40 leads per month and 8 appointments. That's your monthly business plan. We've also stressed the value of prioritizing leads. Not all leads are created equal. Focus your efforts on expired listings, properties for sale by owners, absentee owners, and circle prospecting. And let's not forget the backbone of your operation, a strategic outbound prospecting plan. Your sphere of influence and past clients are rich sources of potential leads. Dedicate your mornings to prospecting, afternoons for lead follow-ups, and evenings for appointments or additional prospecting. Incorporate these strategies and find yourself on the path to success. Now you're ready to take the next step in your real estate journey. Success is waiting. Success is